Oh, one more lawnmower's gone. Now I gotta get this fixed. And depending on what I gotta spend on it, I've already ordered 4 tubes. I'm gonna have to buy a seat. And the little bracket that holds the deck, the front deck bracket, that was 12 bucks. So already I'm into it 40, 50 bucks plus 50 bucks of buying it. So I'm into it right at 100 bucks now, plus a seat. And that's if I don't have to spend any more money on it. So, oh, and the battery's good. I charged the battery up and it's holding the charge. And I don't know, $475, 500 bucks, depending on how purty I can make it. Well, I got this to crank up, but I got snookered. I got it cranked up and it's spitting oil out everywhere. And smoking. I just now got where I can come back in here and smoke this room up so bad. Rings, I'm sure it's rings. But, you know, it's got a good battery. It's got a good transmission. They'll go around behind the shop for parts. Rims, steering components. Got a good starter. I started it up. It's got a good starter relay. What else? The deck is actually good. If I mow that wheel, I got the wheel right here. If I mow this wheel on, this deck will be good. So, you know, it's not a total loss, but it is as far as being able to flip it real quick. That's not going to happen. They can't win them all. And, you know, I've had a lot of real good successes and made some money. So, I'm not going to dwell on this. And I got a hood, you know, if anybody needs a hood, I got a hood for sale. So, not the end of the world, but it's not worth putting any more money or time into. On second thought, you know, I bought a pressure washer with this, and I fixed and sold the pressure washer. So let's do the math here. I gave a $125 for the pressure washer and a lawnmower. I sold the pressure washer for 100 bucks, so that knocked 75 bucks off of this. That leaves me into this for 50 bucks. I think I'm going to put this on Craigslist and say parts, 50 bucks. And transmission, wheels, I mean, that's all good stuff. Even carburetor, and if anybody's, or maybe somebody thinks they can take this off and they've got the time to, you know, hone the cylinders and put bigger rings or whatever. I just don't have that kind of time or desire. So that's what I'm going to do. The deck, besides the wheel being off, is a good deck. And the hood is a good hood. So, and that's, a lot of times the hood is what breaks. So I'm going to put this on Craigslist for 50 bucks and see if I can get a bite. Get it out of here. And start looking for another one to work on. When I was in the hospital yesterday getting my biopsy done, while I was waiting, I ordered this yesterday at 10 o'clock. And I got it today. And it's not even noon. That's just unbelievable. Oh, that's an 8-inch Tramontina fry pan. I'll show it to you a little bit.
Sunny left because got the bubble wrap.
Okay. Okay. This is my 8-inch Tramontina skillet. I just love these Tramontina skillets.
And I love this bubble
And
wrap.
yeah, I got
Thank
something,
you.
and she
I
got something.
Thank you. Thank you, Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon shipped her some bubble wraps, and they
Yeah.
wrapped it around this fry pan just so it wouldn't get lost.
Yeah. Thank you, richest man in the world.
Look at you over here on the bargain basement rack. That is just not right. I can save one. I can't save you all, but I can save one of you.